Svaki je drugi zagađovi pogađaj. Svaki je drugi zagađovi pogađaj. Ako nas tuže jutro probude i srce stisne se odnovoje, ja ću vam nešto zaboraviti. Pogledaj mene, to može dati samo najbolite, da pođe do sumpori više od sebe. Pisao naše su zauvijek tu. Što mi pjevate? Evo mene. Ma to ekipa. Ma znate. Reci mojoj da nas je, ma nestale su sve. Sve nade ljubavi, sve tuge radosti, da ju volim još i da ne mogu bez tebe, bez ruče crvene. Da li čuješ svijeta? Pa to voli uznake, vele dučanke. Teško mi je zbog tebe, jer mi znači sve. Well, I have to shake and my knees are weak. Yes, it's the same on my two on my feet. Ooh, down what I have so bad. I mean, I'm all shook up. Yeah. Well, please don't have no trouble in mind. I'm in this time, I'm feeling fine. But I need a girl that I like best. I have a big soul, it's scared to make a rest. She's not a man, what I feel like, girl. Love somebody, love love somebody. Honey, you don't know what it's like. Honey, you don't know what it's like. Love somebody, love somebody, way I love you. We go to a party and everyone turns to see this beautiful lady was walking around with me. And then she asked me, do you feel alright? And I said yes, I feel wonderful tonight. Ili Beograd, pogledaj si, Sofje ili Beograd. Ne ide vino bez harmonike, ne ide ni ja, ni bez tebe. Bolje bi bilo kad bi shvatila da te ne volim, a nikoga ja. I need more of you, darling, I need more of you. More, anything less will do. If I said you got a beautiful body, put it over against me. If I saw you were an angel, would you shake me like a bell tonight? If I was on earth, would you fall in love, God bless me? If I said you had a beautiful body, would you hold it against me? Ajde mala dođi u moju sobu, imat ćemo privatama. Šteta bi bila da propade svak kad kaže da smo tako dobar par. It goes